How to put same header in each page in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Excel file. After that, go to File option at the top left corner. Then after go to Print. And now under Pages, you can see No Scaling option. Simply click on it and choose the option of Fit All column in a single page. After that, all the data will be printed as a single page with the same header. So that is the first method to get same header in all pages of Excel. The second method is to simply head back to the document, go to Page Layout from the ribbon, then after go to Print Title, and here you will see this prompt. You simply need to enter rows to repeat. So drag your cursor in the header section at the top. Then after click on Print Preview. You will see how the pages will be now printed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.